Hello friends, today we are making Oobleck. It is material science experiment. For that we need colors, food colors. I want to make green color, so I have taken yellow and blue color. Then I have cornstarch. I have taken 5 ml of water in the measuring cylinder. Then a cup and spatula. So let's begin. So in this cup, with the help of the spatula, I am adding 7 to 8 scoops of cornstarch. So in this cup I have added 7 to 8 scoops of cornstarch. Now in this cornstarch I am going to add 5 ml of water and then 2 drops of blue color and 2 drops of yellow color. Now we have to mix this mixture completely. Like this, I am going to mix this. Now our mixture is ready. Our Oobleck is ready. Now if we want to know that if our Oobleck is ready, we have to tilt the cup, and if it acts like a water or if it acts like a liquid, then we can say it is ready. But we have to also check if when we press it with a hard object, it should act like a solid. You can repeat this process with different color combinations. Now what did we see in this experiment? We saw when we tilted the cup, the Oobleck flows like a liquid. But when we tap the Oobleck with a spatula, it feels solid. Now the science behind this is Oobleck does not fall under the category of solids or liquid. It is a non-Newtonian fluid. It acts as a liquid until you apply pressure. Then it acts like a solid.